Welcome to the Interactive Production Cost Analysis Dashboard. Integrated with Microsoft D365 Finance and Operations Production Control Module. This dashboard provides a consolidated view of production orders by bringing together production costs, resource consumption, and estimated sales values in a single interactive report. As we begin, the dashboard provides an instant overview of production performance through its key metrics. At the top, the production ID identifies the selected production order, while the total cost of production highlights the complete cost incurred for that order. These metrics provide decision-makers with an immediate understanding of production expenditure and overall financial impact. The dashboard offers dynamic filtering capabilities that allow users to analyze production data by company, production order number, and item number. With just a few clicks, users can drill down into specific production orders and instantly view detailed information, making the dashboard highly interactive and easy to navigate. The first analytical section focuses on production item details, displaying information such as item number, item description, estimated quantity, sales unit, last sales rate, and estimated sales value. This information enables businesses to understand the expected revenue potential of each production order and evaluate how effectively production activities contribute to overall business performance. The second section provides a comprehensive breakdown of production costs by displaying resource consumption details, including actual consumption quantities, unit rates, and real cost amounts. By analyzing these cost components, organizations can identify the resources that contribute the most to production expenses, monitor operational efficiency, and uncover opportunities to optimize manufacturing costs. The dashboard also includes interactive visualizations that compare estimated sales value with real cost amount. These visual insights help users quickly identify cost variances, assess production profitability, and understand whether production orders are generating the expected financial returns. By presenting complex financial information in an easy-to-understand format, the dashboard enables faster and more informed decision-making. Overall, the Interactive Production Cost Analysis Dashboard empowers organizations to monitor production costs in real time, analyze production profitability, improve financial control, and enhance operational efficiency. By integrating directly with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, it ensures that decision-makers always have access to accurate and up-to-date production information. Thank you for taking the time to explore the Interactive Production Cost Analysis Dashboard. Transform your production data into strategic insights and drive greater operational excellence. Thank you for watching.